The ruling party in the country and the opposition parties have declared their candidate for the presidential elections to be held in July this year. The BJP and NDA have declared Draupadi Murmu as their candidate and the opposition parties have jointly declared Yashwant Sinha as their candidate. Draupadi Murmu comes from Odisha. She was twice an MLA from Bharatiya Janata Party in Odisha. She was a teacher previously and she was even a minister in the government of Naveen Patnaik in Odisha, and she was a governor of Jharkhand from 2015 to 2021. Whereas Yashwant Sinha, he was an IAS officer in the year 1984. He quit his job and he decided to join in the politics. He joined Janata Party in the year 1988. He was elected to the Rajya Sabha and for 3 times he got elected to the Lok Sabha from Hazaribagh Lok Sabha constituency. In the government of Chandrasekhar and Atal Bihari Vajpayee's government, he was a central minister. He held portfolios like finance and external affairs. In the year 1996, the BJP made him national spokesperson. In the year 2014, the BJP declared and nominated his son and gave a ticket to his son Jayant Sinha from Hazaribagh Lok Sabha constituency. In the year 2018, Yashwant Sinha decided to quit politics. But later on, he sharply attacked on the policies of the BJP government at the center. And in the year 2021, just before the West Bengal Assembly elections, he joined Trinamool Congress. And today he is the joint candidate of the opposition party for the post of president in the country. Whereas in the presidential election, there is a contest, and there is a contest from long going on. And we have seen that when Pranab Mukherjee was declared as the candidate by the Congress, Pranab Mukherjee was very near to the BJP leaders. Despite that, the BJP decided to field P.A. Sangma as their candidate. When BJP declared APJ Abdul Kalam as their candidate for the post of president, Congress party supported them, but the left parties decided to field Lakshmi Sehgal, who was in the army of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Similarly, when the Congress party declared K.R. Narayana as their candidate for the post of president of the country, BJP supported them, but suddenly former ex-election commission T.N. Session decided to contest in those presidential polls and Shiv Sena supported them. And during other various occasions also this kind of things have happened. And today there is a contest again going to take place. And today the BJP and NDA is having 48% of electoral college. They have 48% of votes. And they are expecting that there will be some regional parties who will be supporting them. Whereas Yashwant Sinha is well aware that the numbers are not in his favor. Despite that, he is on the ground and he has decided to contest for the presidential polls. It is very likely and it is going to be not so difficult for Draupadi Murmu, and she may be the next president of our country. But Yashwant Sinha is trying to bring in more opposition parties together and he is trying to create a strong opposition.